Join me as I paddle on the Wapsipinicon River on this brisk autumn morning. The scenery for this morning's paddle should be enjoyable. We've had years when there's been more color, but there's been years when it hasn't been so pretty either, so today shouldn't be too bad. Let's take a look around. Kind of excited to get out on the water and enjoy another paddle trip before this is all frozen over and we wait months to do this. For those wondering, today's camera equipment includes a GoPro, a Nikon with a long lens, and a Nikon with a short lens. Person never really knows what to expect when they're out here paddling on the Wapsipinicon River. I'm on the section right now called Indian Pond, near Alcock Park in Frederika. In previous years, I've been treated to all kinds of wildlife this time of year. I suppose my favorite memory was when we had 3 trumpeter swans that were hanging out in front of our cabin. The scenery was so pretty when you could see the swans in the autumn colors. Unfortunately, this year I haven't seen any swans here yet. As you can see, we have quite a bit of color. Unfortunately, I think the 40 and 50 mile-an-hour winds we had yesterday blew much of it down. That happens some years. And I don't see anything here, so I think we'll head out. Move up the river further. Well, it appears we've got a beaver in the area. I've received several reports of an injured pelican somewhere on the river here. I last heard about it a couple of weeks ago, so I don't know if it's still around or not. I'm often asked if you can take a boat up here, and you can, even when the river's low. If you've got a small boat with a small outboard motor, you can. There's the turkeys. If you've got a small boat with a small outboard motor, you can get almost to the old 63 bridge. Well, I'm gonna grab shots for sure. Yes, you can run a boat up the river even when it's low. This time of year you can do it when the water's higher. The issue is you don't know what's all floating down the river. There's logs moving, and if you're not quite familiar with where things are and you go over some of the areas you wouldn't normally hit, you could possibly hit a submerged log. If I were going to do the entire Wapsi Water Trail through Bremer County, I would take either a kayak, or if I was going to take a canoe, I would take an aluminum canoe. I have a Kevlar canoe, but I will not take that on certain stretches of the river just because there's so many logs and log jams and things you got to carry your kayak over or your canoe over. I hope you enjoyed paddling with me on the Wapsipinicon River and Indian Pond. As you can see from the experience today, it's a very beautiful place, and it's why I'm so grateful to be able to call this place home. Thanks for watching.